Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Babbit Chops, a nightmare smiling critter from Poppy Playtime 4. So first we're gonna get started up on the top with the hairline, and over on the left-hand side, we're gonna curve this line around and then up. Starting from this point again, we're gonna arch this line around and then in. Again, from that point, we're gonna curve this line down and then up. Again, moving over, we're gonna arch this line around and then back in. And now coming underneath, we're going to draw in the eyes. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this around, back up. To the left of this now, we're gonna arch this line around, back in. We'll come over on the right now, and we're gonna draw in the nose. So we're gonna arch this line around and then down. And then we'll draw in two arch lines that curve out on both sides for the nostrils. Continuing to close off the eye now, we're gonna move over towards the inside, curving this line up. And then moving over towards the right, we're gonna curve this line back around and then in. And then for the highlight, we're just going to draw in another curved line, arching that up towards the top. Let's continue in the rest of the hair on the top now. So on the right-hand side, we're gonna curve this line around, back in. From this point, curving this up and over. Again, we're gonna arch this further up towards the top. And then again, we're gonna curve this line down. We'll continue this as we move over on the left. Again, moving that down. And now to the left of this on a diagonal, we're gonna curve this line in. From here now, we're gonna draw in the ear. So we're gonna arch this line around and then down. And then from the top here, we're gonna curve this line back around and then in. And then we're gonna close this off from the point, curving this line over. Let's frame in the mouth now. So coming further up, we're going to curve this line over and then down. And then on the right-hand side, we're gonna curve this line around and then back in. Now to close off the bottom, we're just gonna curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line on the right, we're gonna curve this line all the way around, connecting that underneath. Now let's draw in the mouth in the center. So we're gonna draw in a small curved line on the left and right-hand side, making our left one longer. On the left-hand side now, we're gonna arch this line around and then in towards the center. And then from that point, we're gonna curve this line back around and then up. Closing off the bottom of the mouth now, we're gonna curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line, we're gonna continue to curve this line over and up on the right. For the teeth now, we're gonna curve this line down and then in. And then we'll continue to bring this line over and then up on the right. In the center now, we're gonna curve this line up. And now let's draw in our tongue. So right in the middle here, coming over towards the left, we're gonna curve this line around and then down. And then moving over on the right, we're gonna arch this line in. Now let's draw in the right ear. So on the top here, we're gonna curve this line around, back up. And then in the corner, we're just gonna arch that line over. Now let's close off the bottom of the head. So we're gonna continue that fur pattern. So we're gonna curve this line in, arching this out, back in. Again, we'll replicate that as we come all the way down and in towards the middle. We're going to continue this as we come up on the left. So starting on the bottom, just curving this over. And then as we come around towards the top, we're going to bring this further out. In towards our ear on the top. Now let's move down and draw on the left arm. So underneath, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then up. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right for the hand. And then now let's draw the skull in the center. So we're going to arch this line around and then in, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up. We'll move across again. Moving over one more time. And one last time, we're just going to curve this line up. Now from here, we're going to arch 3 curved lines that come up towards the top of the page. For the nose, we're going to draw in a small triangle in the middle. For the eyes, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches out on both sides. And then closing this off on the bottom, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then now let's draw 2 diagonal lines on both sides. Closing off the torso, we're going to curve this line in towards the top of the skull. And then we're going to continue to curve this line over and out towards the left. Closing off the left leg, now we're going to arch this line out and then in towards the bottom of the page. And then moving over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line back down. And now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, closing the bottom of the foot off. Now stretching up, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. Stepping over, we're going to curve this line down for the right leg. We'll move across, coming up, replicating that, ending that so it's at the same height. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. And then moving up one more time, let's replicate that. For the right arm now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the side of the leg. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line back across. For the tail, let's arch this line around and then in. Stepping down, curving this in. And then again, one more time, we're going to arch this line in towards our left arm. And that is it. That's how you draw Babachops, a nightmare smiling critter from Poppy Playtime 4. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.